Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Grade 9 ICT Textbook Explanation video series. In last video we discussed about USB ports. Therefore today we can discuss about network port. It means RJ45 port. RJ45 mean registered jack 45 connector. The definition for RJ acronym. Actually this the network, this the port which you can connect the network cable to the computer, physical network cable. Through this port we can connect our computer to a local area network. As an example, if we are using our computer in a school computer lab, we can use RJ45 connector to connect our computer into this our computer with the switch in the server room. Through it we can connect our computer through the RJ45 connector. We can connect our computer with the local area network using twisted pair cables. In the twisted pair cables you can see 4 pairs. It means 8 cables with 4 pairs. We will learn more about regarding this in grade 10 network based lesson. So currently we can remember that we can use network port to connect network cable, local area network cable with the computer. As well it can be a inbuilt one, as well it can be a port with network card. If there is no RJ45 port in the motherboard, we can use RJ45 port with the network card. After we after we connected the network card with our computer, we can use RJ45. If we cannot find it, if there is no inbuilt network port. Next facility is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi facility. Actually, this way to connect our computer with the network using a physical cable. Through this Wi-Fi, we can connect our computer with the local area network without a physical connection using Wi-Fi signals. If we want to connect our laptop computer or desktop computer with to a Wi-Fi network, we can use Wi-Fi adapter. Through the Wi-Fi adapter, we can connect our network, our computer to a wireless network, Wi-Fi network. Then using Wi-Fi signals, we can communicate with that local area network. As well, if there is internet connection with that Wi-Fi connection, we can use that connection also, because we know that in so many network providers are currently giving Wi-Fi based routers. Through it we can internet through that type of internet service providers. We can use that internet connection through that Wi-Fi router. As well, if we have a smartphone, we can activate the mobile hotspot and use that internet connection with our computer by using Wi-Fi facility. It is a wireless connection. As well, we know that with the Bluetooth facility, we can use our computer. We can connect our computer with Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth keyboard, and Bluetooth mouses without using a physical cable. Therefore, easily we can use our computer through a wireless network using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi facility. I think you have a good idea about now you have a good idea about RJ45 port and also about Bluetooth and Wi-Fi facilities. If you have any doubt, always you can use our WhatsApp support service. If you are a Ninaro student, totally free, you can use our WhatsApp support service. As well, other students also can use it as a premium service. What you have to do is send your question through a WhatsApp hotline. Then it is starting from $1 as a premium service. But if you join with our Ninaro class, you can totally free use that service for free of charge. As well, Ninaro students can participate to our Viber questions and check your knowledge level. If you have any doubt, always you can discuss with us. Therefore, till we meet with the next video, have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.